left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
We made it to the House of Candles. We're in Henryville, Pennsylvania, in the Poconos.
Yeah, we are.
My mom loves being on film. Say hey, Mom. Look at these cool bears. All carved. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien. These are the wax melts.
Then I got myself.
So I think this is adorable. So look
Oh,
at
it looks
it.
like a little fireplace.
Mhm.
Oh, that's awesome.
So cute. And then you do your little wax melts.
Oh, on top. Didn't get very far. I've already done all 3 floors. huge candle. This is a 1,000-pound candle they have at the House of Candles here. And it has newspapers and advertisements and clips in this 1,000-pound candle. The history of the House of Candles. The carving all the way back. This is the outside of the candle shop. There's a wood carved candle. They also told me when I was getting ready to walk out to come down the path, they have a little petting zoo for the kids. Something for everybody. Alright, so today's project, my generator slide keeps opening up the front. It's got a weird system. Has this latch that holds it in, and it's got a, you could tell, it's, I mean, we bought a used RV, but it's got this V angle here, and it's supposed to be holding the slide in, but this wasn't going around the steel plate to hold it in, the latch. So I'm going to grind down the latch a little bit, and that way it will grip this a little bit better. It's kind of hard to angle to videotape. I'm talking to YouTube and all our subscribers. Like and subscribe. And follow Chris.
I don't have a beak.
You ready? Here we go. I'm not wearing safety goggles. I'm not a professional. No one's paying me to do this. So let's see. I got that grinded down a little bit. Got a point on it. Hopefully that will stick into my V. Man, it's a lot closer. Yeah, I got to do a little bit more on the right side, it looks like, but my left side is getting pretty in there. It's already a little bit better. Much better. Yeah, I'm liking that. This was Chris's idea. So thanks to him to figure this out for me. Lucy, don't knock over my camera. We got supervisors over here. We got the creator, the doer, and the supervisor. All right, loud again. It's already better. Already better. Thinking this might do the trick. Now it looks like I want to do a little bit more on this side here. So I got that side a little bit in there better. All right, a couple more minutes, but we're looking at a 5-10 minute project here that I've been struggling with the last 8 months. Here we go. Now I'm going to put it back together, see if it works. Alright, let's put this bad boy together. Let's see if I can get it to latch up. There we go. So, put that on there. Line that up. Oh, boom. Boom. Now, hopefully, it won't vibrate and loose. Come off. Ow. Myself in the head with the freaking camera. That looks like it latches on there a lot better now. Right here. I'm not too sure why we have it like this from Fleetwood, but that's how it's designed on mine. And now it's a little tighter. I don't know if this was retrofitted or how this come about, but hopefully this does the trick and keeps it closed. Awesome.